Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to fix call not reachable on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if you are experiencing the call not reachable error on your Android phone, there are several things you can try to fix the issue. So first of all, check the network coverage. The call not reachable error can occur if you or the person you are calling is not within your mobile network's coverage. If you are out of your service area, wait for about 5 or 10 minutes until you or the person you are calling can get back into the service. Also guys, you can restart your device. Restarting your Android device can help fix many issues including problems with making and receiving calls. And press and hold the power button for a few seconds, then click on the restart option. Also check that disable aeroplane mode. If aeroplane mode is enabled on your Android device, disable it. Also guys, you can check call settings. Check your call settings to ensure that the call bearing options are turned off. Go to settings and here you can see call bearing. Tap right here and tap right here on the network, and you can see that call bearing is turned off. And if this is turned on your device, you can just simply turn off that. Also, hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.